In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents board in monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create the board. Start by logging into your monday.com account and navigate to your main workspace. Once there, look on the left panel for the blue Add button. Go ahead and click that, then select the option for Board. You'll be prompted to choose a starting point. For this project, select Start from Scratch. Now name your board. You might want to go with something simple like Content. Lastly, set the privacy option to either main or public, depending on who you want to have access. Next up, we'll set up the columns. The default item column is perfect for naming your main content categories or sections. This could be anything from different projects you're working on to specific content types. Keep the person column as it allows you to assign responsibility for particular sections, ensuring everyone knows their tasks. The status column is essential to track the progress of each item, so retain that as well. To manage timelines, use a date column where you can track either the creation date or set relevant deadlines for your content pieces. Now it's time to organize your content with groups. This is where you can make things visually clearer. Use group titles to categorize your content, like social media, blog posts, or finished projects. This way, you'll have a structured table of contents that's easy to navigate. Once your categories are set, we need to add detailed content. You can do this by clicking on an individual item. This opens up a side panel where you can add descriptions. This is a great place to provide context for each content piece. If you have any files to upload, or if you'd like to track updates, you can utilize the activity log within that panel. For larger content sections, consider using sub-items to break them down into manageable tasks. This will make the workflow smoother and more organized. As we wrap up the setup, let's focus on visualizing your progress. Creating a dashboard is an excellent way to connect it back to your content board. Once your dashboard is ready, you can add various widgets like charts, numbers, or battery progress bars. These tools help you visualize the overall completion of your content table at a glance, making it easy to stay on top of everything. In summary, creating a table of contents board in monday.com involves a few simple but essential steps: logging in, creating the board, setting up useful columns, organizing your content with groups, adding detailed information, and finally, visualizing your progress with a dashboard. Following these steps will streamline your projects and enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to apply these tips and you'll see how effective monday.com can be for managing your content. Happy organizing!